Are you looking to make some extra money on the side? Whether you want to pay off debt, save for a vacation, or simply increase your income, a side hustle can be a great way to achieve your financial goals. In this video, we'll be sharing the top 5 side hustles you can start today to earn money. Number 1. Web development. Web development is a skill that's in high demand, and it's a great way to earn extra income. With the rise of e-commerce and online businesses, many companies are looking to improve their online presence and create user-friendly websites. This is where web developers come in. They create, design, and build websites that are visually appealing and easy to navigate. As a web developer, you can offer your services to businesses, startups, entrepreneurs, or even individuals who want a website for personal use. You can work on a freelance basis or even start your own web development business. The great thing about web development as a side hustle is that you can work from anywhere, as long as you have a computer and an internet connection. If you're interested in web development but don't have any experience, there are many online resources and courses that can help you learn. Websites like Codecademy, Udemy, and Coursera offer web development courses for beginners. You can also practice your skills by creating your own website or by contributing to open source projects. Web development can be a lucrative side hustle if you have the right skills and the dedication to succeed. With the ability to work from anywhere and a high demand for web developers, it's definitely worth considering as a side hustle, so why not give it a try and see where it takes you. Number 2. Dog walking and pet sitting. Pet ownership is on the rise, and with busy work schedules, many pet owners struggle to find time to give their pets the exercise and attention they need. This is where dog walkers and pet sitters come in. They offer a valuable service by giving pets the exercise and care they need while their owners are away. As a dog walker or pet sitter, you can offer your services to pet owners in your local area. You can set your own rates, choose your own hours, and even specialize in certain types of pets such as dogs, cats, or even exotic animals. The great thing about this side hustle is that it can be as flexible as you need it to be. You can work full-time or just on weekends, and you can even offer additional services like feeding and grooming. If you're interested in dog walking and pet sitting, there are many online resources and courses that can help you get started. Websites like Rover and Wag offer platforms for connecting with pet owners and finding dog walking and pet sitting jobs. You can also get certified as a pet care provider through organizations like the National Association of Professional Pet Sitters or the Pet Sitters International. Dog walking and pet sitting can be a fulfilling and rewarding side hustle if you love animals and enjoy spending time outdoors. With the flexibility to set your own schedule and rates, it's definitely worth considering as a side hustle, so why not give it a try and see if it's the right fit for you. Number 3. Freelance writing. Freelance writing involves creating content for a variety of clients, such as websites, blogs, magazines, and businesses. As a freelance writer, you can work from anywhere and set your own schedule, making it a great side hustle option. You can specialize in a particular niche or topic, such as personal finance, health and wellness, or travel, and build a portfolio of work that showcases your expertise. One of the great things about freelance writing is that there is a high demand for quality content, and many clients are willing to pay well for it. You can charge per word or per project, and as you gain more experience and build your reputation, you can command higher rates. In addition, freelance writing allows you to explore different topics and industries, and you can develop valuable skills such as research, writing, editing, and communication. If you're interested in freelance writing, there are many online resources and job boards that can help you get started. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr offer platforms for connecting with clients and finding freelance writing jobs. You can also join writing communities and forums to network with other writers and learn about job opportunities. Freelance writing can be a challenging and rewarding side hustle if you have a passion for writing and a desire to create quality content. With the ability to work from anywhere and the potential to earn a good income, it's definitely worth considering as a side hustle, so why not give it a try and see where it takes you. Number 4. Online tutoring. Online tutoring involves helping students learn and understand subjects through virtual platforms. As an online tutor, you can work with students of all ages and backgrounds, and you can specialize in particular subjects such as math, science, or language arts. Online tutoring is a flexible and convenient option for both tutors and students, as it can be done from anywhere with an internet connection. One of the great things about online tutoring is that it allows you to share your knowledge and expertise with others while earning a good income. You can set your own rates and choose your own hours, making it a great option for those who have other commitments or responsibilities. In addition, online tutoring provides the opportunity to work with students from all over the world, and you can develop valuable teaching and communication skills. If you're interested in online tutoring, there are many online platforms and websites that can help you get started. Websites like Chegg and TutorMe offer platforms for connecting with students and finding online tutoring jobs. You can also join tutoring communities and forums to network with other tutors and learn about job opportunities. Online tutoring can be a fulfilling and rewarding side hustle if you have a passion for teaching and helping others. With the ability to work from anywhere and the potential to earn a good income, it's definitely worth considering as a side hustle. So why not give it a try and see if it's the right fit for you? Number 5. Sell items online. Selling items online involves listing and selling goods through online marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, and Etsy. As a seller, you can sell new or used items, and you can specialize in particular products such as clothing, electronics, or handmade goods. Selling items online is a flexible and convenient option, as you can do it from the comfort of your own home and set your own schedule. One of the great things about selling items online is that it allows you to earn money from items that you no longer need or use. It also provides the opportunity to explore your entrepreneurial skills and start your own online business. You can learn about marketing, customer service, and product research and development, and you can develop valuable skills that can transfer to other areas of your life. If you're interested in selling items online, there are many online marketplaces and websites that can help you get started. Websites like Shopify and Squarespace offer platforms for creating your own online store, while marketplaces like Amazon and eBay allow you to sell items directly to customers. You can also join online seller communities and forums to network with other sellers and learn about best practices and strategies. Selling items online can be a fun and rewarding side hustle if you have a passion for entrepreneurship and a desire to earn extra income. With the potential to start your own online business and the flexibility to work from anywhere, it's definitely worth considering as a side hustle. So why not give it a try and see where it takes you? Conclusion. So there you have it, the top 5 side hustles you can start today to earn money. Whether you're a web developer, a pet lover, a talented writer, an expert in a particular subject, or simply looking to declutter your home, there's a side hustle for everyone. With a little bit of effort and dedication, you can start earning extra income today. We hope that you found these ideas useful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more like it, please consider subscribing to our channel. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on our latest content, and you'll be supporting our channel's growth. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.